Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I wanted to show you my garden. It is August 7th and I just thought I would take a quick look out here. This is my corn. It's actually taller than I am. And it's starting to get the little seed looking things on top, which means it should be producing pretty soon. And you can see down here, this one started. So I've got 3 rows here, and we're just going to see how that goes. The carrots are doing pretty good. I'll show you how big they are. I'll just grab a couple here. It's been raining like crazy here, so everything is wet. But, you know, they're a pretty nice size. And just going to throw those over there. Radishes, this is the 3rd time I've planted these. And they are fairly large. These ones look like they started to split, unfortunately, because of all the rain. And then we've got peas, and they are doing quite well. Lots of them are ready for picking. My hubby was out here yesterday picking them. Still lots of flowers on them. And this is about 6 feet tall. And they pretty much reached it and it fell over. So I'm going to have so much fun picking today. Onions. I kind of stepped on those along the way there. So they're all getting big. Or bigger. I'm just going to pull one to see here. Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice size. They still have a long way to go. And then my beans. I don't know what's happening to my yellow beans. Something's eating them. It's really making me mad. Put all that work into a garden and then you come out and see that happening. But they are producing. So I'll be picking some of these today. Whoops. Anyway, and be showing you more of that later. Over here, got more beans. Pretty amazing. And these are the purple ones here. And I was out here yesterday picking a few. So these ones are the nice long ones, like that. So I'll be picking more of those today. Now you can see how much the tomatoes grew and how much the watermelon grew down there. It just spread, and it's covered with weeds right now because it's been raining so much I haven't had a chance to come out here to weed anything. So very frustrating, but hopefully things will be okay. Over here I've got beets. I'll just pull one out there so you can kind of see. Again, these are the long ones. Then these are pole beans. And I didn't realize how big they were going to get. Don't really have any beans on them yet, but they get these great big long green beans on those. Got more beets, more tomatoes. And today I was looking at my pickling cucumbers and I discovered that it looks like I'm going to have to make some dill pickles sooner than later. I didn't think they would be ready yet, but they are. So I'll be picking some of those later today and making a few beet pickles. This is where I've kind of dug up some potatoes. We've eaten about half a row so far. They became one big mangled mess and they just spread, but there are potatoes in there. And the one thing I don't even know if I can show you over there, let me just walk back, is way over here. That is all squash. I can't even get to it now. Totally overgrown. And I've got Hubbard winter squash, pumpkin in there as well. And the tomatoes, they are actually really, really pathetic this year, except for a very tiny little one over here that has a few on it. So I'm very disappointed with those, but some years you get more than others. Last year I gave up on mine, and then all of a sudden they produced. So you never know. So I just thought that was give you my little garden tour. Zone 3, Alberta. And I will be picking peas, beans, and obviously the cucumbers today. And I will probably do some more potatoes later this week. And just more carrots. And just go from there. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I will give you an update probably at the end of August. Today I'll be busy canning. Anyway, thanks for watching.